there's always disenfranchised people who don't have access to technology. And in most industries, you need somebody to have some form of technology to interact with them or to work within that environment. And government is a classic case. It's very difficult to get a pension payout to somebody at a specific pay point validated if you don't have some sort of physical device, a card, a mechanism to do that. So there is always going to be a catch up with those that don't have the tech, and there's a lot of investment going into making sure that so connectivity and devices are starting to really start to push down to that space. In our industry, we have a different situation in that the sort of skills that you need are now moving into cloud skills. You know, before you could be an on-premise administrator of an email system and a database system and an ERP system, and now you need to be somebody who can see how that platform is serviced by somewhere else. You need to be able to take that platform and understand what's going on in it. You're not physically managing the administrative functions. You're getting data and telemetry back about who's using what's happening. So your skill sets have transformed. You need to be able to set that up in that space, in a multi-tenanted cloud environment with security and multi-factor authentication. So skills have shifted into that space. And we still don't have enough skills in that space. So people are changing. The way that you do development and you build applications has completely shifted and changed as well. So we're seeing the whole team of how people develop and build and functionally build software that's robust in this new environment is very, very different. And how you customize things is very different. Before, you could take a piece of an application and completely configure it for your business. And now we're seeing that, you know, there's a whole bunch of standard processes that you have to adopt, and where you want to make customizations is in a separate layer. So those skills have shifted, and we're seeing a transformation of those skills in our business and shifting people into that. And at the moment, you know, we're on a growth curve where we think we can bring more people in to do this type of work, who want to work and consult to customers in the supply chain space or warehouse management production side, and really that's a good space for us. We're seeing high adoption of Microsoft technology, so for us that's a good thing. So that means we could cross-skill from other technology platforms into Microsoft, and Microsoft's got a very strong R&D roadmap. So for us, skills is a critical thing. And in our business all up, we still see we can outsource processes and do things for other companies and grow skills and grow capability, and potentially, you know, aggregate services and make them cheaper for us to run for a customer. So our industry is definitely going through a change, and skills for us is still a critical element. IT skills is still a big opportunity, and so for us, that's going to be something we still want to grow and maintain our trajectory of growth on.